Hello children, welcome back, and today in algebraic expressions we are going to learn how to multiply binomials. This is a binomial x plus y and this is x square minus y square. This is also a binomial. So how do we multiply a binomial with a binomial? It may be a trinomial with a binomial. So we use distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. You must have learnt in 7th standard. We will use that same method. Let us move on. Our first question is x plus y multiplied by x square minus y square. So here what we will do is any one term we will write twice. Okay. So now this is having minus. So I will write this number, this algebraic expression twice. So x square minus y square once, and again I will write x square minus y square second time, and then this I will distribute it between them. X I will bring it before this. If I bring x here, what is remaining children? Plus y, that I will write before this number. And why do I do this? You must have seen in your multiplication also children. When you multiply 24 with 15, don't you multiply 5 with 4, then 5 with 2. Then in the next step, 1 with 4, 1 with 1. In the same way children, we have to multiply x with x square. We have to multiply x with y square. In the next step, y with x square and y with y square. That is why we have included this step. Now let us go straight to multiplication. Now x has to be multiplied by x square and then x has to be multiplied with y square. So first, whenever we multiply the alphabets or the numbers, please remember to multiply first their signs. Now here there is no sign. That means this is plus sign children. With x square also there is no sign. That means it is plus. So plus into plus, plus. So no need of writing plus. And x into x square is x cube. Why is x into x square x cube children? Because if x is not having any power, that means it is having 1. So a raised to m into a raised to n will give you a raised to m plus n. So that is why x cube. So x into x square is x cube. Next, again before multiplying algebraic expression, we have to multiply the signs. Plus into minus. This is plus into minus, minus, and x into y square. What is x into y square children? X, y square. Why? Because x and y, they are different alphabets. We cannot add the powers. So base should be same. So x, y square. Now this is done. Now we have to multiply y with x square and y with y square. But before that we have to multiply their signs. There is no sign here, means it is plus. So plus into plus, plus. Y into x square, y into x square is equal, like this we can write y into x square. What is the answer for this children? Y into x square is x square y. X square y. Then again the signs, plus into minus. Y into y square. Y into y square is what children? Y into y square. There is no number, means it is 1. So it will be y raised to 3. Because base is same, add the powers. So this is your final answer. Now these are all unlike terms. So they cannot be added. We have to leave the answer here itself. Okay. Next, let us move to the next sum. (3x minus 2y) multiplied by 3x plus 2y. Now children, whenever there is one plus sign and one minus sign, try to write whatever is minus sign 2 times and then distribute this, because if the plus sign comes outside the bracket, it will be easy to multiply. So I will write this only 3 times. In the previous sum also children, I wrote this twice, 2 times. Now here also I am writing this 2 times. 3x minus 2y into again 3x minus 2y. Now I will finish writing this twice. Now I will bring here 3x before this If I bring here 3x, what is remaining children? Plus 2y, that I will write here. Hope you understood this step children. Now our next step is multiply this 3x with 3x. Then multiply 3x with 2y. So 3 into 3 is 9. X into x is, because this no power means this is 1. So x raised to 1 into x raised to 1 is x raised to 2. Now here plus sign is there because children, this is also not having any sign. This is also not having any sign. It is positive. So leave that. Now you see children. Now plus 3x. Plus into minus is minus. 3 into 2 is 6. X into y is xy. Say 9xy. Next plus. Now no sign means plus. Plus into plus plus. 2y into 3x. 2 3s are 6. X into y, xy. 6xy. Then plus into minus, minus, and 2 2s are 4, 4y square. Right? Sorry children, I made a mistake here. This will be 6. 3 2s are 6xy. Yeah. So 3 3s are 9. X into x, x square. 3 2s are 6. X into y, xy. Plus 2 3s are 6. X into y, xy. Plus into minus, minus 2 2s are 4. Y into y, y square. Now if you see children, these both are like terms, right? And this is also xy. This is also xy. That means you can add and subtract. But here this is minus 6 plus 6. It is like 6 minus 6 is 0. So this gets cancelled. Your final answer is 9x square minus 4y square. Now we cannot do anything with this because this is having x square. This is having y square. So they are not like terms. We will leave. This will be a final answer. Now in the same way, let us do together the last sum. You also start doing in your notebook and we will do together. Now in this sum children, this is minus and this is plus. Which one will you take twice? Yes, you will take the negative one twice. So a cube minus b cube multiplied by a cube plus b cube. So I will write a cube minus b cube twice and distribute this proper numbers here. Here a cube will come. If I transfer a cube, what is remaining children? Yes, plus b cube. I will write before this number. Now first we will be multiplying this. Then we will be multiplying this. Right? So a raised to 3 into a raised to 3. Powers are same. Base are same. So powers has to be added. So a raised to 3 plus 3, 6. Then plus into minus, minus. A cube into b cube is a cube b cube. Now we have finished with this. Now we have to come to this. Plus into plus, plus. B cube into a cube is b cube a cube. You can also write it as a cube b cube. Plus into minus, minus. B cube into b cube, b raised to 6. Because base is same, powers have to be added. Now again, these two are like terms. This is also a cube b cube. This is also a cube b cube. And there is no number attached with it. That means it is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. They get cancelled. So your final answer is a raised to 6 minus b raised to 6. Can we do anything with this? No, because they are different terms. Hope you understood children how to multiply a binomial with a binomial. We will do many more sums in our next class. Bye.